HD Smoother Detangler. For all synthetic fibers. Enhance and prolong the beauty of synthetic wigs and hair extensions with easy-to-use HD Smooth Conditioning Detangler. Spray it on and comb through to eliminate tangles and frizz while restoring healthy luster and body. To use, hold 6 to 8 inches away from hair and spray desired amount. Gently comb through using a wide tooth comb. Let air dry. Top reviews from the United States. Fantastic for synthetic wigs. I love this stuff. I have a 5-foot wig that I needed to brush without ripping out the synthetic hair fibers. This stuff made the wig incredibly easy to brush. Additionally, I like how it smells, but I feel like some people might find the fragrance a bit strong.